Hi guys, let's make lumpia, chicken lumpia with vegetables. So we're preparing the vegetables now. We have cabbage, mushrooms, carrots, bell pepper, and then chicken. Then igisa na lang na siya. O, di ba? Nahuman na. Paspas. And then, ito na siyang i-rebalot sa wrapper. And then, itong i-fried. Yummy, aoy. Diba? Katano kay kang mahimo ana. Mm, mm. Testingan na.